Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mega Minion Mel from Despicable Me 4. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eye. Let's start with a circle. And then another circle around this one. Now inside at the top, let's draw two vertical lines. And then a rectangle shape on top. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw two lines going out on both sides. And then close it off at the end to form rectangle shapes. Then let's add two lines across the center. Now let's add the goggle straps on the sides. Let's draw two curved lines going out. And the same on the right side. And then one more line in the center. Now let's move out and let's draw the sides of the body. Let's start with the line down on the left and on the right. Now top on top and let's draw a curve across in the center. And then curve it down on both sides. Next, let's hop back into the center and let's draw the mouth. We'll start with a curve across. Then from both ends, let's curve it down. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a border in the same way. Now inside at the top, let's draw a circle. And then a line across at the top for the teeth. And then a line down the center. And then color the bottom section in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move out and let's start drawing the straps of the overalls. From the sides of the body, let's curve it inwards. And leave a gap in the center. Now underneath, let's draw a small curve back out. Then from the sides, let's curve it down and over. And then add a circle inside near the end. Now underneath on the sides, let's finish drawing the shape of the body. Let's continue it by bringing it down and curving it in. And then a curve across the bottom. Now top back inside and let's finish drawing the overalls. Let's draw a line across near the top. Then underneath the straps, let's bring it down and curve it out. And then one more curve on top on both sides. Now inside, let's draw the pocket. Let's draw a line across near the top, and then a large curve underneath. Now on the pocket, let's draw a circle. And then add the letter M inside. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. On the left side, let's draw an angled line down and out. Now underneath, let's angle it down and curve it back up. Now at the end, let's add the hand. Let's start with a curve on an angle. And then on top, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve over and bring it back up on the right side. And then underneath, let's angle that bottom line up on both sides. Now on top, let's add another curve for the next finger. And then one more, bringing it down to close off the hand. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's move over and draw the right side. For this one, let's draw two curves going downwards. And then a longer curve across for the glove. And angle both sides inwards. Now underneath, let's draw the thumb by curving it out and back in. Then let's hop under the thumb and let's draw a curve down, up, and back around for the rest of the hand. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's draw two angles down on the left and two on the right. And then a curve across the bottom. Now for the boots, let's angle it down and in on both sides. And then a small angle back out from the inside line. Now top out and let's draw a curve down for the tops of the boots. And then close off the bottom of each one. And that's it for Mega Minion Mel. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!